Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius.
Grab 2 sheets of puff pastry. Cut rings from the puff pastry using a pastry cutter or a glass. Cut a smaller hole in the center of one part of the puff pastry rings. Place the rings on a baking sheet and place the other rings on top. Perforate with a fork. Brush the rings with the egg mixture. Bake in the preheated oven for approximately 20 minutes or until golden brown. Fill the holes with any jam of your choice. Sprinkle with powdered sugar. Enjoy and please subscribe for more puff pastry hacks and other delightful recipes. Thanks so much for liking and commenting. Hey there, amazing audience! I'm super excited to share this video with you. I want to hear from you. Your thoughts, opinions, and ideas mean the world to me, and I'd love to make sure this video is as awesome as it can be. Drop a comment below to let me know what topics you'd like to see more of, any questions you have about the content, any improvements or suggestions. Your feedback helps shape the channel, so don't be shy. Thanks for being part of this journey.